Here I have a handwritten letter, and I'd like to share it with you because it's not every day we get a piece of snail mail from a viewer. Alright, so it says, "Dear Tom at Goldspot Pens, I recently bought a fancy pants fountain pen. Why does my handwriting still look like carp? Sincerely," I can't really read this. "Dear Miss or Mrs. Unintelligible Signature, while a fancy fountain pen will not make you a master calligrapher overnight, it will make the experience much more enjoyable. If you practice 5 minutes of writing a day for a year, that's over 30 hours of putting nib to paper. Having a quality tool at hand like this Sailor 1911 fountain pen ensures reliable performance with a comfortable, satisfying feel. Stay tuned at the end of this video to find out how you can enter for a chance to win this admirable Sailor fountain pen." What will help improve your handwriting? In our previous handwriting video, we talked about Tom's 3 T's for improving handwriting. In this video, we have 3 P's: practice, patience, and persnickety attention to detail. Like playing a musical instrument, you need to build your muscle memory and maintain it to perform with a writing instrument. That takes practice. Write every day with your full focus and attention. If only for 5 or 10 minutes, you'll see an improvement in the long term. That's where patience comes in. There's no quick 5-minute hack to write better. You have to slow down and be patient with yourself and the pen. The improvement will come gradually, not overnight. You will hardly notice it from day to day, but if you look back at your first attempts months from now, you won't believe how far you've come. And as you improve, you will look at your former handwriting and start to notice all the faults. Moreover, you'll be more persnickety about your current handwriting. Once you're more aware about the shape, spacing, and alignment of your letters, you will practice to refine it. In this tutorial, I'll show you 5 different handwriting styles for your fountain pen. They're easy to learn and implement in your daily journaling and note-taking. For this tutorial, here are the tools I will be using. Clairefontaine French-ruled staple-bound notebook. Sailor 1911 Standard with a medium nib, inked with Sailor Magno Sumire. Sailor 1911 Rialo with a music nib, inked with Sailor Magno Haha. Estabrook Esti with a 14-karat gold Yovo nib modified for flex with a custom ebonite feed, inked with Sailor Magno Yomogi. Find out more about these items by following the links in the video description. Print style lettering. Starting off with basic print style lettering, this clean style is the easiest to read. Keep your spacing and letter height consistent using the unique line grid of the French-ruled paper. A stub nib can add instant flair to this basic style of lettering by virtue of its tip shape. If held in a position perpendicular to the baseline of the page, the nib will produce thick vertical strokes and thin horizontal strokes. If the nib is angled parallel to the baseline, it will produce the reverse effect. Serif, typewriter style. Typewriter style lettering is almost like a standard print with serifs. It adds a bit of classy sophistication to an otherwise plain handwriting style. Not only does cursive tend to make handwriting look more ornate and artful, it also helps improve writing speed. Joined up letters eliminate lifting the pen from the page between letters. However, you still have to slow down and ensure proper spacing and looping. Writing cursive with a stub will accentuate the swoops, loops, and curves with line variation, adding character to your cursive. For a more dramatic and expressive style, use a flexible nib to provide on-demand line variation when applying pressure to the downstroke of each letter. Shaded faux calligraphy. If you'd like to add some decoration to your writing style, try some faux calligraphy. It's a lot simpler than it sounds. Just take one of the 3 previous writing styles and add faux accents by thickening the downstroke. Outline. Go bold with this blocky style lettering. Create headings in your journal or turn heads with writing for display. The outline style draws attention. Add a drop shadow to create a 3-dimensional feel on the page. As you practice your handwriting style, you will want a pen that is well made, well balanced, and built to last. The Sailor 1911 standard is a great fit for both men and women. This particular style is called the 4AM and features a dark, transparent blue body with glossy black appointments. Thanks to our friends at Itoya, you can enter for a chance to win this pen in your choice of nib size. To enter, comment below with your favorite handwriting style. We will randomly select one lucky winner by Friday, January 31st at 2 p.m. I hope that you enjoyed this handwriting tutorial. For more helpful how-tos, writing tips, fountain pen reviews, and interviews with industry insiders, subscribe to the Goldspot Pens channel for more fun in the world of fine writing. Stay inky, my friends. Take care.